Hope I'm videoing you. How are you doing?
Good.
What are you doing?
Do you honestly think you can
Watching
kill
the
me
show?
with that little
Why do you have a
toy
sock
gun
tied
of
around your
yours?
head?
I don't know.
You want your ring back?
Yeah.
Then hand this to him. Where'd he get that? It's a book closet.
Give it!
Give it to your brother. Don't tease. There you go. You're styling, Jared. I like that look on you. It's kind of the 80s flash dance retro thing going on.
You're so pretty. How's it going, Corinne?
So Justin's little brother's kind of a wimp.
How's it going?
Cries a lot. A lot.
Corinne, I'm asking how it's going.
Good.
Why are your eyes like that?
Kind of looks like Harry Potter, too.
Good.
So normal. Oh, she's back.
Do you want to see my nose ring?
Sure.
Scary.
Look, watch this.
Find an exit. Get as many people out as you can. I'll slow it down.
My siblings are
Look.
creep.
Look at my nose ring.
I'm looking at you.
No, you're not. You're looking at Corinne.
I can definitely see you.
No, you can't.
I can't?
No, you can't. Baby.
Thanks again for the lift line.
Oh, and who's this treasure?
Back in 30 minutes. Coming after you. Got it. I was going to say go get help.
Stop.
Go get help. Got
Shut
it.
up.
Now get in there.
She is so sweet and tender. Would you have thought that before her mission she would have acted like this? It's true. This is the evidence.
I'm serious.
Oh, she hurts me. Sweet, sweet darling.
He's not even looking at the ball. He says, where's Casey and Jessica and Emily? So get your butts out here and watch it.